Today I'm going to show you how to create a free website using the Wix tool. So all you need to do is log in and then click the Start Now button, and then once that is loaded you click the Start Creating button. Now you can see here on the left hand side there's a whole heap of categories that you could choose templated websites from, but today we are just going to use a blank template because we are going to be creating our own based on our knowledge of the human body. So once you click on the blank template that you're going to use, it will load, and what you want to do is click this blue thing that says edit this site. Okay, once this site has loaded, all you need to do is to start editing, is to start clicking. And for example, this is the site name and we will just call it test. And we can edit the slogan. So edit text, and we might say just a test site. And then we have tabs here. So these are like ordinary tabs that you would click on a web page and you can change them. So we can change the home one, or page 2, page 3, page 4, like so. And you can add design. So we can look for background. So we might choose to have, for example, this colourful background here, and it will change it. And we can go to background, to design again, and click colours. Now this is the palette that we want to use, so we might choose a blue and grey and purple palette, and as you can see that changed the colour of our menu there. Now what we want to do is add. So we might want to add, we can add text, image, gallery, media, shapes and lines, buttons and menus. So we might add an image. So there we go, an image has been added for us. Or we can go to clip art, and there's another image that's been added for us, and we can drag that. We can change the size of these to be smaller or bigger by just dragging the right hand bottom of the picture. So media, we can add video, a SoundCloud audio, or through the audio player. Pages, so page 2, which would be where you're clicking on here. If we go to page 2, then we can see it comes up with another blank one. So what would happen is when we're at the home, when we go to the home page and we were to click on page 2 as a button, it would come up to this page. And then we can do the same thing by changing the design. So we could go colours for this page, could be reds and yellows and blues, and as you can see it's changed. And you can click on this to change its style. So we can edit style. So we might want it to be a 3D page. And can you see there how it's added a 3D look? And there we go. Okay. And as you can see here, we've got a text box which we can add text to. So we can delete this and drag this up so it's at the top, and we can start adding text. For example, hello class, and click out of that. Now that's how you edit the site. After you have finished, you can hit save, and I would recommend to do that as you are going along so you don't lose any of your work you've done. And then you can hit preview to see what it looks like. So as you can see here, we're on preview, and we can go back to the home page where we've added the photo and the clip art, and we can click on page 2 because we added page 2 and it's got there what we wrote. So click on back to editor mode, and when you're happy with everything you click publish,